Welcome to Module 1 of our comprehensive course on the Internet of Things. In this module, we will embark on a journey to explore the foundational concepts of IoT and its profound impact on modern society. In Module 1, we lay the groundwork by defining what IoT is and examining its historical origins. Let's dive into the exciting world of connected devices. At its core, the Internet of Things or IoT refers to the network of interconnected devices embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies, enabling them to collect, exchange, and act upon data. The concept of IoT traces back to the early days of the internet and the development of embedded systems. However, it wasn't until the last 20th century that IoT began to gain significant traction, thanks to advancements in wireless communication and sensor technology. As technology continued to evolve, IoT expanded beyond its initial applications in industrial automation and smart homes, permitting various aspects of our lives, from healthcare and agriculture to transportation and urban planning. Today, IoT plays a pivotal role in driving innovation and shaping the future of virtually every industry. Its ability to connect the empowered devices has paved the way for smarter cities, more efficient industries, and personalized experiences. From wearable fitness trackers monitoring our health metrics to smart sensor optimizing crop yields in agriculture, the possibilities with IoT are endless. By harnessing the power of data and connectivity, IoT continues to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. And there you have it, an introduction to the fascinating world of IoT. In Module 1, we have explored its definition, historical origins, and significance in modern society. Stay tuned for Module 2, where we will delve into the key components of IoT system. Until then, keep exploring and embracing the possibilities of connected devices.